Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and I guess you'll agree with me after this intense debate for past 3 days, and particularly today, on what India should do, how India can do, or what India has not done. We haven't yet reached a conclusion, and the conferences normally, we expect too much from such conferences. And I don't know if they really provide solutions and answers to all the questions, but I do feel that all 3 days we've had very rich discussion and many questions were raised. There cannot be a perfect solution and a perfect conference, but I think the attempt is to bring in more people from the region, from extra-regional players, regional players, and our own experts from within the country to at least, educate people who are not aware about the current trends which are unfolding from the regional perspective. And I think we've come to the stage where we have to bid farewells to people who've come from the region, from Australia, from England, and from even one of our participants who did not present a paper came from Japan and Mongolia. So I want to especially thank all of them who have come all the way, taking out time to participate in this conference, and a big applaud for all of them who have made this conference actually success. I think the content of any conference depends on the quality of the speakers that we can put together. And in that sense, I think we can say that it has been extremely, fruitful conference in terms of the takeaways that we have at IDS, and I'm sure people who participate are taking back home. Secondly, I would like to also say here that such conferences at this scale are not possible without help and support which you get from your Director General, Deputy Director General, your administration, and most importantly, a core team which has been working day and night to ensure that everybody is comfortable. And for that, I want to firstly thank my Director General, who's always shown this faith in me and my team. He has provided us freedom to do what we wanted to, the way we wanted to, and he's been very helpful. So I think my special thanks to him and everybody at IDSA. I would also, fail in my duty if I don't bring to the notice the people who really helped us in conceptualizing this whole conference. And this is where I would extend my thanks to Ambassador Ishrat Aziz, Ambassador Ranjit Gupta, Ambassador Bhutani, who is not here, but he also came and gave his ideas and help in terms of conceptualizing this. And there are people sitting in other places who have been very helpful to us. Ambassador Talmiz Ahmad and Atullah Neja, who's not here, he's also been very cooperative. In addition to being a speaker, he's also helped us in terms of coordinating few things here. I would also like to extend my thanks to my core team, Colonel Rajiv Agarwal, Dr. Mehtab Alam Rizvi, Dr. P.K. Pradhan, and Ms. Neha Kohli, who have been working very closely with me. And please give and Rajoshri, of course, who's Sachin Tendulkar of our center. So please give a big applaud to all our team members. And of course, I would, there's a huge team, which was at work, all the LOs who've been looking after our guests, Ms. Kirti and Ms. Shruti, who've been here helping you, with all the kinds of announcements that they have been making, the changes. So I would request you to give them a big hand. And finally, the team which has worked, from behind the screen. And these are the people in conference cell, in administration, team led by Wing Commander Hemlata Lohani, our conference cell members, Aparna Krishna, Amita Narang, Jasleen, and you must have been watching people who've been facilitating, our mics and our systems, Mr. Mukesh, Mr. Rajkumar, and Mr. Subbu, who's been, and finally the Pushkar Pathak, who's not seen in the conference hall, but he's been working very hard to ensure that there is a live telecast of this entire conference. With this, I thank all of you, each one of you who's participated, and each and every member of IDSA who's helped us in terms of making this conference a big success. Thank you very much.